What's up, everybody? It's your boy Skittle Fabs, and I'm out here at the shop with Michael J. Lovejoy, and we got his 04 Neon SRT-4, which is super clean. That's all I gotta say, you guys. Now, where did you get these depots?
I made those.
You made those?
I actually made those yesterday.
Wow, those are super clean, guy.
From Custom 54, and I had issues with moisture and no high beams not working. So I took them apart and put new projectors and painted them.
That's super clean. I just finished up doing the front fenders. I did roll in the driver's and the passenger side. We're gonna pull his Neon out and show you his engine bay. So pull it out, I guess. Start that bad Larry up. Now what do you got for exhaust?
Thermal R&D with a muffler.
Ooh, smooth. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet, you know? We got Jason over here doing some power wash in the rear. That's the truck he's working on. Super clean paint. A school did this, a tech. Super clean. Actually, we're gonna let you. Come on, open it up. Stock block, big turbo, Garrett, Tial wastegate, big front mount intercooler, JM fabrication intake, Tial wastegate. What size wastegate is that?
38mm.
And turbo?
60 trim.
60 trim. And what type of cam gears are these?
MPX, monster corner.
Ah, sweet. Boomer fuel rail. Aeromotive, the same one I have, you guys. Just clearly not on my car right now. Painted transmission. Shit's super clean. Well, bud, thank you. I really do appreciate it. And let me know how it goes, guy. Let me know. If you have any rubbing, just let me know. Hit me back.
I doubt it.
All right, man. That is super clean. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
Now that is super clean. I'm hoping my car comes out that clean. Jason's gonna be the one painting it. He's over there. Super clean. Later, guy. Ooh. Oh man, I can't wait to get mine back. Yes! Whew. Very nice. That was nice. Huh? I know. That's big turbo for you. Alright guys, I will be pushing another video sometime this week, but I just had to push this little short thing because I'm here at the shop. I had a Neon SRT-4 here, I had to Fender roll it. So now I'm gonna go prime my engine bay to my Neon SRT-4, and yeah, you guys will be seeing this sometime Monday morning. So be easy guys and stay tuned. Peace!